Anaplan Fintech honest review. Watch before using. Most people get corporate planning software wrong. They assume it's overly complex or rigid. The surprising truth about Anaplan is how it provides dynamic financial and operational modeling, and you won't believe how it can improve decision-making across a business. Here's how it works. Anaplan is a cloud-based platform for connected planning. Teams can build models for finance, sales, supply chain, and workforce management, allowing real-time collaboration and scenario analysis. For example, a finance team forecasting quarterly revenue can adjust assumptions in real time, instantly seeing impacts on budgets, cash flow, and KPIs. Most people get this wrong. They assume planning tools are static, but Anaplan updates across departments instantly, keeping everyone aligned. Additional features include data integration from multiple sources, visual dashboards, predictive analytics, and workflow automation. Users can simulate with scenarios to optimize resource allocation and strategic planning. However, there are considerations. Implementation requires training, and costs can be significant for smaller organizations. Most people assume it's plug-and-play. Success relies on skilled adoption and proper data governance. In conclusion, Anaplan is ideal for enterprises seeking to unify planning and improve agility. Its modeling, collaboration, and analytics make it a powerful tool for informed decision-making. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of fintech and enterprise planning software.